Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I am unboxing the USB 3 hard disk enclosure, which can be used for any internal 2.5-inch hard disk. I bought this for around 600 rupees from Amazon. Inside the box, we straight away have the see-through enclosure, which is made up of plastic, and it slides to open. That's the standard USB port which we get with almost all external hard drives. Included in the box is a very high quality USB 3 cable. I have this 1 TB internal laptop hard disk laying around because I upgraded my laptop's hard disk to a SSD. We just need to align it properly and push the hard disk so that it locks in securely into the socket. And actually that's it. Slide the top case back and you're good to go. Let's test the data transfer speeds on a PC. So as you can see, I am getting around 100 Mbps on average, and that's not pretty bad. Thank you very much for watching, and as usual, have a fantastic day.